So how much is it going to cost me to transform my existing detached garage that we have now into an Airbnb? That is going to be the cost of the framing, the lumber, the plumbing, the electrical, the doors, the windows, the insulation, the flooring, and the tile, the drywall, the trim. But after everything is done, we still have to buy the pretty stuff, which is kitchen cabinets, countertops, vanities, faucets, toilets, washer, dryer, and then on top of that, furniture. So how much is all of this going to cost? The build out with everything included, I have at $41,000. That is like everything broken down and how much it's going to cost. But where can you buy something right now today for $41,000 that is going to provide income forever? You have an existing structure. If you have an existing garage, or even if you have an existing kind of like suite or section of your house that you could add a door with a separate entrance and then maybe a bathroom and a small kitchenette, why not make it income producing? Why not become a little entrepreneur and become your own little business owner?